Hello everybody, welcome to the part 2 of the web interface design video. In this video, we will be seeing about different types of direct selections that are available. First, we will see how the direct selection was done in the early days. First, in the DOS mode, it was done using a command prompt which can be seen here, and then the direct selection was done using dragging and the file into a trash. When considering the direct selection, there are four types of selections patterns that are available. They are toggle selection, collection selection, object selection, and hybrid selection. In toggle selection, a checkbox or a control based selection is used, and in the collection section, selections the spans for multiple pages, and in object selection, direct selection of object is being enabled, and in the hybrid selections, it is a combination of several methods that we will be seeing. When using toggle selections, we have three considerations that has to be made. The first one is clear targeting. This is nothing but when we need to select something, you need to be precise in selecting the item. The second one is straightforward discontinuous selection. That is, the selection has to be done in such a way that we need not select it continuously, rather we can choose that randomly. The third one is clear indication of what has been selected, which is nothing but showing the selected items using a method. The next one is the collected selection. Here this is the upgradation of the toggle selection, where the selection can be made for multiple pages, as you see in the Google web page. For example, when you see in Gmail, there might be multiple pages of mails available. You cannot use a toggle selection where you can select multiple mails from a single page, whereas this collected selection will help you in selecting multiple mails from different pages of the mail. There are two considerations when we consider this character selection. First one is keeping the selection visible. This is nothing but when you select multiple objects or multiple items in multiple pages, it should be visible to the user what are the items that has been selected. The second one is collected selections and action. When something is selected, there should be a prompt notifying that what action to be taken for the selected items. These are the two considerations in collected selections. Next, we will be seeing about object selection. Here, object selection is a selection that is done directly to the object within the interface. Here in this example, we can see the states of object selection. First one is here there is nothing is selected, where every object has not been highlighted or not selected. The next one is hover state. That is, during object selection, when you move the mouse over the item, it will change color, showing that the particular object can be selected or not. The next one is selected state, where the color changes for the selected item. The best practice for object selection are as follows. The first one is use object selection when selectable items can be dragged. This is nothing but when the object selection can be applied only during the situation when the objects can be drag and dropped. The second one is object selection can be done with that can simulate desktop interactions. That is nothing but when there is a desktop shortcut or that can be displayed on a desktop, it can be used with object selection. The third one is allow standard modifying key extensions. That is using shortcut key from the keyboards. The last one is the drag and drop objects can be degraded or using browser capabilities to use the selections. Next, we are going to see about the hybrid selection. This is nothing but mixing of toggle selection and object selection in the same interface, that is using the strength of toggle selections and the agility of object selection combined together. There are considerations for this selection. They are nothing but the first one is confusing of two models. This is nothing but when using a hybrid model, the user must not confuse between how to use whether in toggle method or in object sessions. The second one is this is used for bookmarks and adding and deleting data in the bookmarks. The third one is it is used for initiating the drag and drop. As we have seen in the first video, drag and drop can be used with multiple variety of interfaces. This one provides one kind of interface. The last one is mouse click option. That is nothing but when you just click the mouse in the bookmark, this hybrid selection will come into action. Here we can see the Yahoo Mail that uses the combination of both toggle and object selection method. The best practices for hybrid selections are two. They are the first one is using checkboxes to select an object without opening. As we can see clearly in the Gmail, we will not be opening the mail, but rather from the heading itself we will be knowing what is the mail is all about, and we can select a particular mail. The second considerations or the second practice is using object selection to select and open an object. Object selection is nothing but when you hover the mouse towards an object, it will say about the nature of the objects, so that the user might make a decision to select or not. This is all about hybrid selection. Here we are ending this video about selections.